What's up, guys? Apple will introduce its new OLED iPad Pro 4TB. The iPad Pro will be the company's first tablet to feature an OLED panel. The device will offer the largest storage ever seen on a tablet. The 2022 iPad Pro models come with 2 TB of onboard storage. The new iPad Pro will come with an OLED panel and will have 4 TB storage version. The 4 TB iPad Pro could be ideal for professional users with demanding storage needs, including content creators, photographers, architects, data scientists, medical professionals, and so on. It will offer ample space for handling large files, high-resolution videos, complex projects, and extensive data sets. It will provide peace of mind and convenience for those who rely on their iPads for resource-intensive tasks and data-heavy projects. The OLED iPad Pro may arrive in 11.1 inches and 13 inches screen sizes variants. There is a possibility that these models could be equipped with Apple's M3 chip. It is being said that the OLED iPad Pro models may feature a new Magic Keyboard and a larger trackpad. It is speculated that the 11.1 inches and 13 inches OLED iPad Pro models may start at $1,500 and $1,800 United States dollars. The increase in price could be mainly due to the inclusion of OLED panels. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.